Hey, my name is Prashant Gaudrahal. I'm a partner at Growth Aspire, helping businesses who are operating in the B2B space to triple the sales success with sales effectiveness tools. I've got a really exciting news for you. So we have launched this new ebook and I want you to go through this. It is called How to Get Steady Stream of B2B Client Appointments Fast and with Investing Just 30 Minutes per Day. Now in this book, we have given a complete blueprint on the tools and techniques on how to get your B2B sales appointments without investing a lot of time or money. Now these are the same techniques and the tools we have used in our own business, as well as helped a lot of companies, right from startups to the MNCs companies, to help them generate more appointments during these times. So all you have to do is to click the link below and share a couple of your details to get a free copy of yours.